I'm so excited it came today. Raze Energy Reppsports.com. Let's go. All right, so one of these cans, when I opened it up, fell out, and that was partially my fault. Fell out and exploded. I need another can of Voodoo, so I don't have another can of Voodoo. But Voodoo is one of the flavors. Apollo. You get Apollo in the unboxing kit. I got grape bubble gum. These all are available on Reppsports.com. Coupon code next level, all one word. Coupon code all one word, next level. Baja Lime. Ooh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. And then, of course, to help with my workouts and my dancing and my DJing, we've got the official Raze Energy Join the Raze Rebellion t-shirts. Heck yes, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Reppsports.com if you want to check this out. They've got all kinds of cool stuff on Reppsports.com. Here's a sample pack. I'm going to open it up and show you guys a little bit of what they got. They sent me a little bit of everything. Shout out to them. Broken Arrow. Pre-workout fuel. Nuclear pre-workout fuel. Don't try this at home, kids. Alright. We got the Hyper Sleep. We've got Cinnamon Swirl. We got another Cinnamon Swirl. I've got a few Raze Zero Sugar Rapid Hydration on the goes. Sour gummy ones. It's pretty cool. And another pre-workout. The pre-workout is Sour Gummy. Again, if you want to check all these out, Reppsports.com. Coupon code next level, all one word. Check this out. I'm going to open this up, this bad boy. This is I love what they say on the bottle. I live this. It's freaking dope. And of course, BPA free, genuine. Very nice shaker cup. Very nice. Very, very nice. That'll come in extra handy. I love my shaker cups. You guys know I love my shaker cups. And of course, it's got the hook on the end. Very nice. All right. Reppsports.com if you want to check this out. Literally, I'm going to be shopping from them more often. If you guys want to shop from them more often, head up Reppsports.com and check out the coupon code next level, all one word. Thanks, guys. Until next time.